Guys, don't skip any part of this video so that you will not skip an important information. Don't allow the devil to use you. Don't say I don't warn you. Because skipping the video, you might skip an important information. So my advice is watch this video to the end. I was born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Guys, I'm going to give you guys a huge secret today. Guess what? Don't forget to at least recharge me when this is working for you. Okay? Yes, this is how to use cowrie to tap into the oceanic world. Yes, you'll be highly rich because there is no way, there is no how that cowries will be scarce. There is no way cowries will be scarce in the ocean. So you can never lack money. And this will bring a lot of connection to you. As in a lot of business opportunity. Money will be coming from different angles. Just the way cowries are in different angles of the ocean. But this have a rule. Yes, this has a rule. So for this to continue working for you, you must not be stingy. The more you get, the more you open hand, the more you give others, the more you give people from your heart, not giving somebody that you are giving that person because that person demand from you, or yes, you are mandated to give that person. Giving somebody that you are not expecting anything in return. It's not that I will go and give a lady money because I want that lady to love me or to get something, then I will expect. That is not giving. So you give to people that you are expecting nothing from them. So the more you give out, the more of this you get, the more money you get. Okay, that is it. So even if it is orphanage you visit, even if it is any place you know, any beggars, any people you can extend hand to, of which they are in, you and they have nothing in common, you are not expecting anything from them. That is to give. And the more you give, the more this work for you. Okay, all you need is just one cowrie. Yes, the one they have not opened the back, the one you are seeing on the screen, they have not break the back. Don't go and use the one that have break the back. The one that the back is still 100% intact. That is the one you are going to. You just need one. Just one cowrie you need for this. By the way, this is your friend the seer. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are seeing this video. Today, guys, we are going to teach you. I'm going to teach you how you will use a single cowrie to tap into the oceanic world, and money will flow continuously. You will never lack money again. More connection, more business opportunity. Guess what? You will be famous. Yes, people will know about it just like as everyone knows about cowrie. Okay, so people will know much about you. Okay, yes, that's what this thing is all about. Okay, and if you find this channel helpful so far, kindly click that subscription button, turn off the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you for liking this video, and God bless you for sharing this video. I pray from the bottom of my heart, wherever you are, may you are a man, you are a woman, let this video be the aid. Let this video provide an answer to your financial breakthrough. From today on, from the day you will do this, from the day you will do this, I pray from the bottom of my heart. I pray in the name of the creator of the universe. Let all your problem be solved. Let all your problem be solved. Let all your financial problem be solved. Henceforth, you will never short money again. Money will always come to you from east, west, north, and south. Money will always come to you from east, west, north, and south. And you shall be accepted among equal. More business opportunity, more connection, and so shall it be. By the power invested on me, by my power invested on me by the creator of the universe. I believe your prayers have been answered. You seeing this video is not a mistake, and it's not everybody that will get to see this video. All thanks to the creator of Almighty. Thank God you find this video. Okay, now back to business. Just type amen in the comment section. Back to business. Yes, all you need, you get a cowrie. Yes, the one that have not opened the back, not the one that have opened the back. Oh, the one they have not opened the back. Now after you have gotten it, then the next thing you need to do, purify it. Yes, how you are going to purify it, just get salt, okay? Get normal salt or sea salt, anyone, preferably sea salt, okay? But so normal salt, cookie salt is okay. Get salt, put the cowrie inside the salt, okay? After you put this cowrie inside, you leave it for there like 3 days or 7 days. After I leave it inside, remember the salt, you are going to put the salt inside water, then put the cowrie there. Then if there is a place you can leave it to an open air, it's okay, fine. If you can leave it to an open air, anywhere you can keep it, just keep it, okay? Just one cowrie is what they have not opened the back line. The one that have not opened the back line, the one you have seen on the screen, they have opened the back, you can use it. Okay, so use the one that have not opened the back. So after you have leave it there for 3 days with inside that salt water, then you take that salt. Yeah, sorry, you take the alligator pepper. Then sorry, after you have taken that that's the cowrie, so you get alligator pepper, get 7 seeds of alligator pepper, chew it in your mouth, okay, chew it in your mouth. Then after you have chewed it in your mouth, then put that cowrie inside the soup. Like me, I'm using a liquid soap, and I have a black soap that I'm using, of which they already taste inside, so I cannot use it inside again. Because that black soap they already taste inside. So if you are using liquid soap, just put the cowrie inside the liquid soap, make all your then pour that spit, that's everyone alligator pepper you put in your mouth. So pour the spit inside while you make all your rotation, while you make all your rotation what you want on it. Then any other type of soap you are using at all, do the same thing. Yes, put the cowrie, you can get a container, mesh the soap while you do this, okay? While you put the cowrie inside, just mesh the soap and then add little water to put the cowrie inside in the container. You can be fetching it from it even to at least once a week as you need to bath with it. But if you can use it to bath every day, fine. And if you can get a black soap, it is also far perfect. Okay, so in case you cannot get any black soap, you use any soap you know you want to use, but black soap is 100% perfect for this. Okay, so while you put the cowrie inside, that spit in your mouth, use it to make your prayers while you pour the spit on it. Then you leave it, don't use it that day. Okay, if it is something that has cover, don't cover it till the next day. Preferably take your bath with it till the night before going to bed, because what will happen today, this night will be decided this night in the spiritual realm. That's just it. What will happen will be decided. So with the night, we always decide what will happen the next day. So like what will happen the next 7 days can be decided today. Okay, so it is a sequence of 7 days. Okay, so always make sure you take the bath with it till the night. While you continue, as you are taking bath, continue making your request. Speak all that you want. Yes, speak all that you want. As simple as that. So this particular one you do, you can continue using it for eternity. You don't have to do another one when your soap got finished or any other thing again. No. Once you do this one, once that soap finish, remove it from that soap. Then put it aside. And once the other soap has finished, put it in another soap. Okay. After you have put it in another soap, then get 7 seeds of alligator pepper again. Then make the same request while you pour the spit on that soap. Okay. These are you'll be continue using it. Continue. See, and the good news is it's forever like this. And the third thing is that you will not should not be stingy, else it will stop working for you. So then you just like to be giving, like dash people, no matter how small it is, just dash. Yes, just be giving hand. Okay, should not be people you are expecting this for, people you are not expecting this for. Okay, as you are just be giving in your mind, you just be saying this is what I give to get more. Anytime you give, say this is what I give to get more. Anytime you give, say this is what I give to get more. So this is what you continue doing. Continue doing this. You continue doing this. Okay. And you see definitely how this thing work for you. Anything you don't understand, ask questions and I will definitely get back to you. Don't forget to hit that like button and tell me work well done. Okay. Yes. See you guys in the next video. Okay.